When the sun's out and the grill is hot, there's one dish that never fails to steal the spotlight: a fresh, colorful summer corn salad. It's bright, crunchy, and bursting with seasonal flavor, and when you toss it in a fragrant basil vinaigrette, it's pure summer in a bowl. Corn salad might sound simple, but when done right, it's a game changer for barbecues, picnics, or weeknight dinners. The beauty lies in how you combine just a few fresh ingredients to create a dish that's both vibrant and refreshing. Think sweet corn, juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and tangy red onions, all tied together with an herbaceous, punchy vinaigrette that brings the garden straight to your plate. Let's get into the good stuff. Ingredients: serves 4 to 6. 4 cups of fresh corn kernels, about 5 ears, or use frozen if off-season. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 1 cup cucumber, diced. Half small red onion, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, optional but delicious. Salt and pepper to taste. For the basil vinaigrette: 1 packed cup fresh basil leaves. 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar or lemon juice. 1 garlic clove. Half teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil. Salt to taste. How to make it. First, if using fresh corn, blanch the kernels in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, then cool quickly in ice water. This keeps them sweet and crisp. Combine the corn with tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion in a large bowl. Next, blend the basil, vinegar, or lemon juice, garlic, mustard, and salt. Slowly stream in the olive oil while blending until smooth and bright green. Pour the vinaigrette over the salad and toss to coat. Finish with a sprinkle of feta if you like a creamy, salty contrast. That's it. No fancy techniques, no oven, just fresh ingredients doing their thing. This salad is best served chilled or at room temperature and can sit in the fridge for a few hours before serving, letting the flavors really come together. Pro tip: want to take it even further? Grill the corn before slicing off the kernels for a smoky kick, or toss in avocado chunks for creaminess. This salad isn't just a side dish, it's a conversation starter. It's what people come back for at the potluck. And it's incredibly easy to make ahead, which makes it your secret summer weapon. What's your favorite twist on corn salad when the heat hits?